Hello everyone, welcome back to the MySQL tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain the select statement as part of the data query language. Let's move to the next query. Here I want to retrieve the employees and apply the group by clause on salary range. That means already I have employees whose salaries are ranging between 35,000 to up to 90,000. But as part of my output, I want to display whether the particular employee's salary is a low salary or average salary or a high salary. So the range I want to differentiate whether based on the salary. Let's say the salary is less than 50,000, I want to give as a low salary grade. If the salary between 50 to 75,000, I want to give the category as a mid salary range. And above 75,000 who are getting the salary, I want to mention as a high salary. How can we do that? So here we are using case select with case. So what are the various conditions here? We have different cases conditions. One is when salary is less than 50,000, then I can say low salary. If the salary is between 50 and 75,000, then I can say end salary. Else the salary is above 75,000, then I can treat it as a high salary. And these categories, I want to rename it as a salary range. This is my alias name. So I'm ending the case here, and as this entire columns is having three range salaries. So these values I want to give the column name as alias name as a salary range. And then I want the count of all these employees, the salary range. Like low salary, how many employees are there, and mid salary, how many employees are there. Likewise, how can we get it? Count star as employee count from the employee table, group by based on the salary range. Let's see how it is going to be executed. To start with, I will take the base table, select start from employees. There is no range, salary range column here, but I want to create as a salary range based on the salaries. Now how I'm going to write the query? Select case. I'm writing here. What is the case? When salary is less than 50,000, then I can say low salary. That is my column name. When salary between, as we already checked the previous query, 50,000 including 50,000, okay, and 75,000. That means greater than or equal to 50 and less than or equal to 75,000. Then I can call it as mid salary, or I can call it as mid salary. You can call it as average salary also. Else we can call it as above 75. I can call it as high salary. No need to check the condition. Then after that I want to end the case, right? So how can I do? I'm going to end as this entire column range. I want to name it as a salary range. This is my column name, alias name, comma, till this is one column. Till this is one column. What is that column name? Salary range. After that, I want another column name is employee count. For this, I want to apply the count function. Count of star as employee count. from the table name is employees. I want to apply the group by clause, group by salary range. See here, how many mid salaries employees? 5. Low salary employees are 3. High salary. Let us calculate. Low salary means below 50,000, right? Let's see. Less than 50,000. How many? 30,000 and 40,000 2 and 45,000 3. Less than I said, right? That's why it is not calculated 50. Let's see. High salary. High salary means above 75, right? Above 75 count is 2. Let us check here. Above 75. One is 80, other one is 90. Above 75. It is not included, okay? So that's why we got 2 records. Likewise, we can retrieve, we can apply the group by clause on salary range also. So this is the query. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video sessions, we can have some more queries. Till then, happy learning.